we are at the Africa Health Agenda International Conference in Nairobi. I would like to present to you my second poster, still on mLearning. And in this particular research, we were looking at the cost-benefit implications for mLearning technical artifacts for enrolled midwives. My research professors were Professor Wim van Haverbeck from Hasselt University, Dr. Peter Ngatia from AMREF, Dr. Paul Muinda from Makerere University, and my colleagues Patrick and Andrew from AMREF Uganda. So in this particular research, we were looking at the cost-benefit implications of utilizing mLearning for the midwife. We were using an application called Jibu, which is available on the App Store. And in this particular state, we actually looked at is it beneficial for the midwife to actually utilize their phone in studying. And so we actually looked at the costs versus the benefits. And one of the first things we did is to just analyze how much does a normal midwife spend on their phone per month. And we realized that 38% of Ugandan midwives use about 5,000 shillings or less, which is approximately 1.5 euros, and 27% use about 2 euros a month. Peculiar, we found that about 3% of our midwives actually do not load any airtime per month. They are content with just receiving mobile phone calls. But for the rest, we realize there's a utilization pattern. So they already consume things like internet, they consume applications for communication. So when we give them the application Jibu for them to utilize for studying, we discovered that they actually were very willing to study, and they found it as a better mode of study than actually purchasing textbook. They found that they liked the fact that they did not have to go to a classroom and sit down. They could read anytime, anywhere. And also, perhaps what was a challenge for them was the size of the screen. Sometimes it was too small, sometimes it was just a bit not readable. But these were the findings at the preliminary stage of the research. We also found out that when it comes to referencing, more of them actually preferred electronic referencing than actually going to a textbook to find out. For example, if you wanted to know how much is a dosage to give, they preferred using Google than actually going to the textbook and the different encyclopedias. So in conclusion, we discovered that for the terms of cost-benefit analysis, the midwives are actually more interested in utilizing mLearning for their learning, and actually would prefer it to textbook because they find it to be more beneficial and worth the cost of the income. Thank you very much.